Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to record meeting in Zoom using phone. First, unlock your phone by turning on your mobile device and unlock it. Install X Recorder. Go to Google Play Store, search for X Recorder, and make sure to install it. Open X Recorder. Launch the app after installation by tapping Open. Grant permissions. Allow X Recorder access to your storage, microphone, and display over other apps. Enable floating controls when recording. Turn on the floating recording button in X Recorder settings. Then make sure to toggle off Hide Floating Ball for you to record the screen during recording. Adjust the video settings. In Settings again, go to Video Settings, then choose Resolution. For example, 1080p, FPS to 30 or 60. Set audio recording options. Go to Audio Settings. Choose Internal and Microphone to capture both your voice and meeting sound. Open the Zoom app. Minimize X Recorder and launch Zoom. Join or start a meeting. Sign in, then tap Join or Meet. Then start meeting. Then tap Start. Prepare the screen for recording. Position your Zoom window as you want it to appear in the recording. Start X Recorder. Tap the floating X Recorder icon. Tap Record or red circle. Then choose between single app or entire screen. And tap Start to start capturing the meeting. Record the meeting. Continue participating in the meeting while X Recorder runs in the background. Stop recording. Tap the floating X Recorder icon again, then tap Stop when the meeting ends. Save and review the video. The recording will be saved automatically in your gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.